So you just brought some eco frames from Ryonet. Probably got a lot of questions. Hi, my name is Jared Day. What's it like to screen print with eco frames? Let's find out together. Eco frames sport a high tension hydro or thin thread mesh, which equals smoother prints and higher detail. Eco frames respect the past, but open a window to the future. If you break a screen, you won't break a sweat. Changing the eco frame mesh can be done in just a few minutes. The thin thread mesh allows less ink to be pushed through the screen, which means you're using less ink, which means you're saving up enough money to buy that new Vespa you've been looking at. Printers experience less screen clogging when compared to standard mesh, which keeps your anxiety down, and as a direct result, a lot less porcelain clogging as well. Not only is the initial price fantastic, but these bad boys hold their value. I mean, you can pass these down like an old family heirloom. Just imagine, Christmas morning, little Robbie coming down the stairs, that little sparkle in his eye, dreams of always owning his own print shop, and then he opens up his very own eco frame. Wow, you are an amazing grandparent. Have you ever tasted a rainbow? Start screen printing with eco frames from Ryonet, and you will.